I'm going to tell you a story about there was a king in Uganda, and this king wanted to marry off her daughter, and he kind of thought of an idea that his daughter was very beautiful, and he thought of an idea on how to marry his daughter. So what really happened was he gave out like a task to people, to the people. So bunch of men came because they wanted to marry the daughter. So what they did, the task was they cooked water in a pot, and the king randomly would kind of like ask whoever would drink that water would marry off the daughter. So one day, all the rich men, the zillionaires, the billionaires, and whoever you can think of came and wanted to marry the daughter, but they couldn't drink the water because the water was so hot. So what happened, there was a hyena. No, there was a hare, not a hyena. A hare, because in Uganda, hares are believed to be very wise. So there was this hare. So the hare, they gave this huge big pot of water to the hare to drink. So the hare told them to boil the water to the highest degree, like the highest degree, the highest temperature. So they boiled the water to the highest temperature. So what the hare did was, when they gave him the water in the pot, he kind of like gathered hundreds of people, and the hare was very clever. So what he did was going to show everyone the water, how hot was the water. He made them touch the water to show how hot it was, and everyone was touching the pot. He was moving towards those people and letting them touch the water. He was like, see how this water is, and they were all touching it. Towards the end of the last person, of probably the 200th person, the hare drank the water. When the hare drank the water, the king said, "Oh, you've done it, you can have my daughter." And the animal, the hare, married the daughter. But you know how he did it? Next time. Thank you.